you? You waste you. Baby, why you waste you? You waste you. Baby, why you waste you? You waste you. Baby, why you waste you? You waste you. Ibadi ekoskote, chamba jaja gbese, shoye, waja kaloja ye, 40 days in Malay. Ibadi ekoskote, chamba jaja gbese, shoye, waja kaloja ye, 40 days in Malay.
It is okay. You have teased me enough. Let us get straight to the point.
No, Chief. Money first.
But you should know that money is not an issue here. Trust me. Let me show you. You sent your account number to my WhatsApp.
Yes, Chief. Okay. Well, can we send it or call it here for you if you like?
No, don't worry. It is here. In fact, I am looking at it.
Chief.
Let me transfer the money to you. I'm going to check it. It should be there now.
That's my zaddy. Come here.
Baby boy. Let me down.
Chief.
Give it to me.
Bad boy.
What is all this nonsense? Who is this one? My friend, how can you come in here without knocking?
Sorry, sir. I've been knocking since nobody opened. You are just because of Aya Killer. You understand? For Port Harcourt, Aya Killer key one get there for yesterday for hotel. So we are just very security conscious.
We're looking for security. Now, who shouted here now? Did you hear anybody shouting?
Maybe take it easy.
Are you sure you are okay? There's nothing wrong with you.
It's why I hear somebody shouting now. That's why I call. You see, are you not shouting like this? Are you not? You see that?
Get out of this place.
Sorry, sir.
Come back. Do you people have pepper soup here?
Yeah, we have pepper soup.
I'll take fish pepper soup.
Which type of fish? Is it catfish or is it tilapia fish? Is it whale fish or shark fish?
You can give her what do they call it? Octopus fish.
I'm just asking.
Look at that. Get out of this place. Now we are way before that stupid boy came in. Let us go because time is of the essence here. I am an old man. You think about this in the market.
Babe, don't worry, okay? I'll be done in a minute, okay?
I'm gonna drop with this call and give me this thing now.
Chief,
I am hot.
Now. Why is your blood hot?
Look at you now.
See, let me have my pepper soup. A very hot shower. Then both of us. Chief.
Oh, who is that one again?
Receptionist, sorry, room service.
Come in.
You again?
I should not be the pepper soup again. There's water I can use it too.
Yeah, come. Are you okay? I mean, are your senses in their right department?
She said,
how is it supposed to eat pepper soup with fork and knife?
you can use. Oh, see, is that why you're not betting? It's very simple now. This is it. Something will say, if you don't use this fork like this, you go just cut the, you see, no be immediate, chop the fuel. So you can't drink pepper soup water, it's simple, just carry the plate.
Yeah, my friend, are you mad? Is something wrong with you? Oh, you want to show me that you're mad? I will show you that I'm madder than you.
Chief, calm down, Chief, take it easy, Hey, Chineke, Chief, calm down. Hey, dollars, naira. Okay, Chief, take it easy. Not that serious.
Don't mind this stupid boy, trying to confuse me. Can't never this together now. Hello, baby, are you in the bathroom? Come and chop your. No, we don't. Chineke, where are my phone? My khaki. Wallet. My wallet too. How? My daughter's school fees is here, oh. And I didn't want to bring it out.
Please, sir. The people that lodge in our hotel, they are saying that you are shouting. Please, I want to go and give you so that I can pay your money. Service or call it.
It's service I call it to go over there, eh? Come here. Sir, take it.
Original mumu.